Hello and good day. Well, in this module that we have the introduction of the food and drinks. And what are we going to do in this module? First, the objective of the lesson is the overview of the module, to listen for specific information. In this case, we are going to listen the vocabulary. But first, we are going to introduce all the module that we are going to see. That is, we are going to see the vocabulary, foods and drinks, food groups, supermarket sections, containers, partitives, restaurants, food preparation, ingredients and measurements, adjectives and describing foods. That is for the vocabulary. And in the grammar, we are going to see countable and uncountable nouns, and, some, any, quantifiers, how many, how much, too many, too much, a lot of, some, a few, a little, no, not any, too, enough. Everyday English, ordering food in a restaurant, the pronunciation of the n and ung, writing an email about a favorite dish, culture, eating out in the USA, cross-curriculars, science, food for life. Okay, now we are going to see the vocabulary that we have here. As you can see, we have here some words. For example, we have tomatoes, peppers, cherries, pears, grapes, cauliflower, and cabbage. In the first exercise that you have to do is to label the groups that you have this. That is here. In the number one that you are going to do is, you have drinks. The number two, fruits and vegetables. Number three, meat, poultry, fish, and seafood. Number four, dairy products. Number five, we have others. And here we have all the vocabulary that we have in the A, B, C, D, etc. And we have to answer the exercise here. For example, in the number one that we have drinks, that we can see is that in the letter E, we have the drinks, that is coffee, tea, lemonade, and oranges. In the number two that we have fruits and vegetables, we can have the A, that is tomatoes, peppers, cherries, pears, grapes, cauliflower, beans, and cabbage. The number three, we have meat. And in meat, we have, we have this. Beef, lamb, chicken, codfish, shrimp, tuna, salmon, and trout. The number four, dairy products. Dairy products, that is related to this. To yogurt, milk, butter, cheese. And finally, we have other. In other, we can have bread, pasta, cereal, rice, and eggs. Okay. Now we have the next part, that is here. That is on page number 6. And also we have more vocabulary that is for food again. You're going to listen and say, we have number 1, banana. Number 2, lemon. Number 3, carrot. Number 4, broccoli. Number 5, strawberry. Number 6, onion. Number 7, cucumber. Number 8, orange. Number 9, potato. Number 10, celery. And we have the first exercise here, that is a B. Which of these foods do you see in the pictures on page number 7? That you're going to do the exercise later. And also I'm going to explain the grammar that we have here with the countable and uncountable. Okay? That is, we are going to read the table. And which of the foods in the exercise 1 are countable and uncountable? I'm going to explain this first. Countable nouns. Nouns we can count. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. In this case we have a banana, an apple, 2 bananas, some bananas. Uncountable nouns. Nouns we can't count. Some milk, not milk or 1 milk or 2 milks. So this is something that we cannot count. And we have in this part of the box. Oh, I want to do it bigger, but I cannot do it. Yes, I could. We use a, an for singular countable nouns. There is an apple. We use some in the affirmative for uncountable nouns and for plural countable nouns. There is some rice. We have some strawberries. We use any in the negative and questions for uncountable nouns and for plural countable nouns. There aren't any eggs. Do you have any pasta? We can also use some in offers and requests. Would you like some cake? Can you have some water, please? Okay, we're going to let the lesson until this moment. Thank you.